Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how to connect WSJTX, the GridTracker 2, to the World Radio League Cat Control app so that you can keep your logging from WSJTX directly to World Radio League Logbook. First, we're going to go into WSJTX. We're going to click File. We're going to click Settings. And in these two middle boxes here, just check all the boxes for PSK reporting and everything. And you should have a port number in here. Yours might be different. Try it with the number that's already there. If it doesn't work, try a different number like I did, 2247. Now, we're going to remember 2247. We're going to go over to GridTracker 2. We're going to click on the cogs, and you're going to put that 2247 in this first Receive UDP Messages box. Now, I was hoping to forward that same information from WSJTX directly to the World Radio League Cat app for logging, but it wouldn't do it on the depreciated. It'll do it if you just do it straight here and not GridTracker, but it would not work on the secondary UDP. So we're going to use this information in GridTracker 2, and what's going to happen is WSJTX is going to send it to GridTracker. GridTracker is going to send it to the World Radio League Cat app for my logbook. So to do that, in this second box, we're going to put the information that's in here from WSJTX. 127.0.0.1. Port is 2333. We're going to check the box Enabled. Now those two programs are set. Let's close that window. Let's OK that. And let's get the World Radio League Cat Control app up. You're going to connect to your radio. You're going to click on the WSJTX tab. You're going to put that secondary port number in, 2333. And you're going to select the logbook you want. You're going to click here. It'll say Start Listening. And you should get a green dot, a little green dot light right there. Once you got that, let's minimize that. And let me open up my World Radio League logbook. Now I log into World Radio League. I pull up the logbook that I'm hoping that transferred from WSJTX to. And I've got one set, good to go here, ready to go. So as you can see here, my last one was here in Quebec. VE2 OPR, and I've got a VE2 ESF waiting to log. Now when I click OK, it'll go from WSJTX, GridTracker 2, the World Radio League Cat app, and log it in my logbook. There you go. I've got VE2 ESF in my logbook, and that is how you connect those three apps from WSJTX to GridTracker 2 for the visuals, which then forwards to World Radio League. I hope that helps. Take care, 73.